What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $60 to $140 per hour. Now, if that sounds appealing to you and you're ready to make some money, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $60 to $140 per hour online. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button. It really helps out my channel when you hit that like button for me. And please drop a comment down below. Tell me what country you're from so I can make sure it's covered when I do my money making online research. And if you're new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to tell you about the most active subscriber. Now, when you become the most active subscriber, you get a chance to win some free money. Now, once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money to the most active subscriber. Now, all you have to do to be the most active subscriber is first, subscribe to my channel, like every video, this video and all the videos that's leading up to the 1,500 subscriber video, and watch my videos all the way through to the end, and look for a code word that's going to flash on the screen. When you see that code word flash on the screen, type it down in the comments below. And once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to go through all the videos in the comments section and look and see who has been the most active subscriber that puts down the code word. And I'm going to reward that person with some free money. Now, I'm also going to reward a second person and just randomly pick him or her in the comments below that drops a unique comment, and I'm going to reward them with some free money. But you want to be the most active subscriber because they're going to get the most money. They're going to get more than just a random person that's comment in the comment section. So make sure you become the most active subscriber. Okay, that's enough of that. Let me go ahead and get into this method. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $60 to $140 per hour online. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called IntelliZoom Panel. So it says here, get paid quickly and easily, saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money. Join the people all around the world making additional income by sharing their experiences. Influence product experiences. Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. So you're going to be giving your opinion on products so these companies can improve the product for the consumers. And it says right here, do it in your spare time. Got 15 to 20 minutes to spare. Giving feedback is easy. Participate in studies remotely, on your schedule, from your home, or on the go, using your own device. So you can use this on the go with your phone or laptop or whatever, real quick and fast. All right, let's answer. Let's see what questions they have here, and they see what the answers are to these questions. I know what question you probably want to know is, how much money could I make? Let's look at that right quick. Payment depends on the complexity of the study. For studies that record think out loud audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. Your standard surveys, the payment is $2 on average. So you can make as much as $10 and as low as $2. So from my knowledge and research of this, you can make more than $10 an hour doing this. Okay, let's read one more question right here that they have the answer for. When do I get paid? When do I get my money? Payments are sent out via PayPal within 21 days after the completion of the study. Once your results have been reviewed and approved, most results are approved in 3 to 5 days. You will receive the payment in the same email used to register. So it seems like on average you'll get paid 21 days, within 21 days, 21 business days, and doesn't take that long to approve your participation in the opinion that you give of the product. Just take 3 to 5 days. So this is a pretty good website to check out and make some quicker money in. So if you're interested in this, just go to intellizoom.com. Now I'm going to go to another website that's going to pay you up to $140 an hour. So you need to stick around for that. Okay, I'm at the second website, and the name of this website is Respondent. So it says here, get paid for participating in research studies. So what you're going to be doing is doing research studies on certain products. And it says here, Respondent is the fastest way to find high-paying research studies. And as you can see here, paid to respondents, $10,345,275. The average review length is 30 minutes. And average hourly payment is $140. So with this site, you can get paid over $140 per hour. So the first thing you're going to do is verify your profile. Connect your LinkedIn or Facebook profile to Respondent so that we can verify your demographic and employment data. It's quick and easy, so you got to have a LinkedIn or Facebook to start being working on this website. And number 2, get matched. Our matching algorithm will send you research studies that fit your profile. You can also browse projects to participate in. So you will get this by email, all the studies, or you can just log into your account and see what they have available, see what studies they have available. And number 3, participate. When invited to a study, you will be able to select the time that fits your schedule. So you can do this at any time. There's no set time to do this. And number 4, get paid. Afterwards, get paid automatically via PayPal. Respondents only collects 5% fulfillment fee on the incentive paid. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you're going to get paid that way. They only take 5%. So basically you're getting almost 100%, 95 to 100% of the money after you do the study. And also you can earn some extra money by referring friends. So sign up as a respondent and refer friends to paid studies. Share studies with people in the network that are likely to be a good fit. Now, if you want to learn more about that, just click Learn More. Okay, so if you are interested in starting with this site, and I think you should if you want to make $140 an hour, go to respondent.io. All right, so now you know the website you can go to right now that will pay you $60 to $140 per hour online. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start doing those simple little tasks, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, make sure you smash that like button, and let's get up to 50 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more it helps my channel and helps this video. So let's get 50 likes. Help a brother out and let's get 50 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also, if you're the most active subscriber, don't forget to put that code word in the comments below. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help as many people I can make money online and become financially free and become their own boss like they should be. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, I'm out of here. Thank you, Grind family, for tuning in, for always checking out my videos. And I just want to correct one of my Grind family members' name. In the last video, I shouted out Sham. Her name is Shame, S-H-A-M-E. I'm sorry about that. Sorry for butchering your name. I'm getting it right now, correcting myself. Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for being a big supporter. And if you want to get your name shouted out in my video, please just watch my videos and drop a comment down below. All right, that's all I have for this video. Before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Go watch some of my other videos and check out my merch. Link is in the description below. Peace.